Since the separation of Kavango region into East and West, the West remained largely dependent on the East for many private and public services. For one, the Office of the Ministry of Gender Equality, Poverty Eradication and Social Welfare in the Kavango West still sends its GBV victims to safe houses in Rundu or Nyangana, as the region lacks these.
Then the safe house that we had in Rundu, they are temporarily not operating due to some issues at head office. So we are only left with one children's home, which is around about 400 kilos from here. Which becomes very challenging when you get cases of a child that needs safety placement. So we are forced to negotiate with the hospital. Sometimes they don't give in because hospitals have infectious diseases, so sometimes they don't take in clients. So it becomes very challenging when you get cases like that.
This, Mwanzi says, hinders social workers in their service delivery and further contributes to GBV in the region. Veronica Mdumbi, Chief Community Liaison Officer at the Ministry's Regional Office, says counselling alone is not enough. Despite other measures in place to address GBV, she says safe houses remain highly recommended.
So the clients will come to the offices. You will give counselling. And this person is going back in the same house where the abuse is taking place. How effective that is, that intervention. This client will go back sitting that, I know I'm being abused, but because of my children, where will I take them? Or because I have nowhere else to go. Or my family, they are very poor. Even if I go there is nothing for me. I'll still sit there. Now that jeopardizes any intervention or any empowerment that you could have given to this client that comes to your office. But at least if we had safe houses for our people, then we know we can contain them in this space for some time, for them to also take time and rethink about their situations.
Leading the parliamentary delegation, Berta Diakua assured social workers all interventions suggested during the meeting will be taken into consideration. Elizabeth Mwengo, NBC News, Kurenkuru.